Parents of students, you are also part of the Pandai community. Let's take a look at Pandai Parent. Now, first question, is it mandatory for parents to open an account on Pandai Parent? The answer is no. Some parents are satisfied with just opening an account for their children. But there are also parents who want to be more hands-on on their children's progress and track their activity inside the app. There are a few control functions they can toggle when they have access as parents. For example, Pandai offers so many rewards for your children to claim. But if you're not a fan of the variations, you can limit the options, or you can also customize your own rewards to your kids. Perhaps your children would be much more excited if they see brand new sneakers that they've been begging you in the list. Additionally, some parents prefer to manage their child's account subscription through their own account. No problem, it can be handled from the parent's account separate from the student's account. And of course, in addition to monitoring progress from the student's account, parents can also use their account to track the children's progress. All of these features are available in Pandai Parent. So, how to open a Pandai Parent account? It's easy. Parents just need to open an account through our website, pandai.org. And then click Sign Up, choose Parents, fill in the information, enter the verification code received from the email or phone number you provided, and complete the information. Next, parents need to link their child's account to the parent's account. Here's how. After opening an account, you can add information to the child's list and enter your child's PIN in the Add Child section. How to find out the PIN for your child's account? It's simple. Visit your child's account on a smartphone, tablet, or website. Go to the account profile, click Share My Progress, scan the QR code, or copy the PIN to enter it into the parent's account. Once the child's account is linked, it will appear like this. Parents have the option to view the child's profile, view the report card. For example, you can identify the child's progress and achievements and pinpoint any weaknesses. And for students' motivation, parents can create goals where they are free to reward the child however they see fit. For example, promising to buy new sports shoes if a specific activity is completed. For reward control, parents can update desired settings over here. In the subscription sections, parents can manage and check subscription status. With Pandai, parents no longer need to worry about their children's learning. Pandai not only supports the learning process for students, but also enable parents to monitor their children's progress.